Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you buy NFTs into your Bitget wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to buy an NFT, you just simply have to open Bitget Wallet, and after opening the application you will get this more button. Tap into more button, and after that you will get this NFT option into markets and trade. Just simply select NFT, and after selecting NFT you can choose suggested NFTs from this section. Just simply select the NFT which you would like the most and like to purchase. For example, I'm selecting this rock-like NFT into here which name is plywood, and after selecting the suitable NFT for you, just simply scroll down to all the way bottom and you will get this option of buy now. It will cost 0.08 ETH, means Ethereum, and in dollars it will cost $195. Just simply tap to buy now and you can confirm from this section that you are buying. Just simply tap to confirm or buy if you have enough balance, and the NFT will successfully be bought. This way you can easily buy NFT from Bitget Wallet. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.